welcome back. So we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner here for the week of the 14th through the 20th. I am going to flip back and show you how this week is looking. We are only on the 8th, so that's it. I'm filming it early because I'm trying to get ahead for next week because I have my mother-in-law coming to visit for a couple days. So that's why we're doing this a little early. So we're just gonna jump right on into it. The kit I'm going to be using is from Beyond Paper Flowers and it's SVU themed. I did already go ahead and put down all the headers. And all we need to do now is, actually I can write on that one. Can't write on those. But I need to put something up here in this little area for my week. And it is, we are planning for week number 42. This little sheet here is from Mandy Lynn Plans and I'm just using it up. And then I have my sidebar here from Tipsy Dog Designs. So let's just jump right on into it. Anyway, so you guys just saw this week's plan with me 2 days ago, but you will see this one a week from that plan with me. I post them on Sundays. And I thought this was a really good kit to use for the month of October. I actually really love SVU. Anyways, the TV show. I am Law and Order girly. So I'm very excited to actually use this guy. My goodness, there is a lot of planes going overhead today. A lot. I don't have my scripts near me. That's what I need. Okay, so I have my scripts here from Black Mountain Plans. If you use Amy B20, you can get 20% off your entire purchase. So, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My category, this planner is from the Penny Pages. It's the Pentrix planner and it's the A5 wide. But my first category that I have in this planner is household. I have my daughter Ophelia, which we all know that I spelled her name wrong. I just forgot to put the H. Then we have myself and my husband. But we're just going to put myself, or my name down. I need to get better about it, about tracking some health things. I want to start going back to the gym and everything, and I just need to do that. And then the last category is ideas, but I think I'm going to be putting down books. So the books that I am currently reading. If you watched Monday's video, Monday the 7th video, you will have seen my TBR for October as well as my reading wrap up for September. I will say I have been reading some of what's on my TBR. I actually finished a book already. Well, I finished a couple books, a couple manga, and then I finished up an audiobook that I had going, and I started a new one. So I also added to my to my, whatchamacallit, to my TBR. Unfortunately, I added to it. But that is okay, and I am reading those books as well, and I'm happy about it. And then all I'm doing right quick is putting down the full boxes. Oops. Oh. We go. There we go. And then I'm going to put it on hers as well. But anyway, so let's get on with it. Let's see, y'all. Okay, so we have trash on Monday. Our trash gets picked up on Mondays. So we're just going to throw that down. Tuesday is grocery shopping day, so we go to Sam's Club and Walmart. And also on Monday, IL arrives. I'm just going to throw it right there. I need to put a wax change down because I need to change my wax in my wax warmers, and I need to mow grass. So these are just things that I regularly do or need to do. I need to mow grass. Ooh, I need to get a birthday gift. Because we have a birthday party coming up. I do laundry. And then we change sheets. And I want to vacuum and clean spare room. So we have a 4-bedroom house, and we just obviously one of them is clean, and then we kind of just had a junk room. Doesn't everybody? No, just me. But I wanted to make sure that we get that in there. And then we are definitely going to the library twice next week because we gotta drop off some of our books that we checked out. So I'm putting that down on my daughter's name. I have a bill due Tuesday. I'm not gonna therapy. So I gotta pay that. And I'm not gonna put down when my mother-in-law leaves because I don't know if she leaves Sunday or if she's leaving Monday the following week. But that is a-okay. Oh, I do also need to take books to bookstore to get store credit. Some of the books that I am unhauling need to be taken. And then I don't think, yeah, I don't have anything else that I'm aware of that needs to be put down here necessarily. So again, my plan with these are going to be sweet, short, simple, to the point. Things are starting to calm down. Oh, Halloween costume for my daughter. That would be a very good idea for me to do. And I do need to paint my toenails this week. And we're gonna do that on Saturday. So I got a sticker sheet done. And I still have a bunch of functionals and things that I can use throughout the week. So ultimately, that's just what we have going on this coming week, the 14th through the 20th. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.